Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear students, welcome to our class. So last class we stopped till here, in this chapter the fertilization and embryonic development in humans. So before going into the class, I will give few instructions regarding your TMA. So some of you have sent the TMA, and many of you have not sent it. Please send it as soon as possible. And if you have any doubts regarding the answers, please ask your classmates. Okay, those who have submitted, like Mazin and Hisham Ismail and some others. Okay, uh, I don't remember other students that have submitted, so please ask them and submit as soon as possible, inshallah. And I want to give some more other advices or suggestions regarding your studying. Please study well. Keep a schedule, like Monday I'm going to study science, and Tuesday mathematics, and like that you keep a schedule, like half an hour or 1 hour, and study well. Okay, because your exams are approaching next year, February or March. Sorry, March. I don't know the date, but it will be after March, inshallah. So we will complete the portions before February, inshallah. So please study well. I know that this year, due to online classes, we might not have the same efficiency as we had last year. So you have to put more effort than the last year. You are in 10th standard. You have to study well to score good marks in your board examination. So start studying, make a schedule, start from complete one lesson. And if you have any doubts, you can ask me, you can message me. Okay, you can message me anytime, inshallah. Once I see the message, I will try to answer your questions. Okay, that's my advice for you. And today I'm not feeling well, so uh, I won't be resuming from this chapter. Inshallah, I'll complete this in the next class, inshallah, Monday. So before that, we'll have a small revision over this lesson. Okay, so in this lesson, we know that we are talking about reproduction. We are seeing about reproduction, and we saw what is reproduction. And then initially we saw about asexual reproduction and how it happens in the lower organisms. Okay, then we moved on to asexual reproduction in plants, and we saw different methods. Okay, then we saw artificial propagation in plants. Okay, we saw different methods. Okay, and then we saw other methods of asexual propagation, like micropropagation. Then we finally saw cloning. The dolly was the first sheep that was cloned. Okay, then sexual reproduction in plants. So this is the second main topic, and how the sexual reproduction in plants happens. And we saw about pollination and fertilization. Then we moved on to sexual reproduction in animals. Okay, then we saw a general overview of that. Then we moved on to reproduction in humans. Okay, then we saw the different changes that happens in puberty and adolescence, the physiological changes. Then we saw psychological changes, everything. Then in the last class we saw about the organs of the reproduction in humans, the male reproductive organ, then the different organs they and their functions, and also the female reproductive system, the different organs found there and their different functions. So we have stopped. After that we continue towards fertilization and embryonic development in humans, how it happens, how the male gamete fuses with the female gamete, okay, that is egg, and how the fertilization happens. And we saw about menstruation as well. So we stopped till there. So inshallah, in the next class we will see about human population. So in this class, since I'm not feeling good, I gave you the advice regarding what you have to do. Our exams are approaching, and also I did a revision of the previous chapters, that is previous topics, inshallah. So please study well. Some of you are did not perform well in your CC test CCE. So please study well, listen multiple times, and if you have any doubts, ask your friends, ask me. Okay, please study well. Inshallah, we'll see you in the next class. Barakallah fiqh. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.